Hi guys, we just wanted to do a little video on a spot we've found for tonight. It's the Coolac Cabins and Camping Ground. Normally we don't really aim for caravan parks, but this one stood out. Steph found it on Wikicamps. It actually had really good reviews. It was 5-star, and we were coming through the area.
I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone.
We came out and very impressed by it. It's super quiet, really nice spot, sort of a few k's off the Hume Highway at Coolac. They've got cabins here for accommodation as well, but they've got powered and unpowered campsites. They've got a huge camp kitchen, as well as a games room and amenities block. And you can probably see from some of the footage we got, it's the cleanest, nicest amenities block we've ever seen. Everything's really well done, and it's all fairly new out here. It's definitely worth coming out and checking it out. We met the owners. They're very welcoming, Miles and Louise. They can't do enough to help you know, direct you to the best site for you or anything like that you need. We had a really good chat to them earlier this afternoon. They're just really nice, down-to-earth country people. They've got a 90-acre farm here with cattle on it. Scout loved playing around with their dogs. They've got a few border collies, and it's just a really nice spot, nice and quiet, nice and peaceful. Having a chat to them, they actually have done a fair bit of travel as well in their caravan, so they really know and understand what people are looking for. So it's definitely worth coming and checking out if ever you're in the area. Like I said, it's at Coolac in New South Wales, and it's probably not even 10 minutes from the Hume Highway when you turn off, so real easy to find and just a really nice spot to get away for a few nights. Thanks for watching this video guys, we'll see you in the next one.